Imagine a cold, quiet night in the middle of nowhere, the kind where the stars seem too bright, almost like they're watching you, and you're standing alone in a vast desert, the air heavy with a secret you can't explain, when suddenly you hear a low hum, not a car, not a plane, but something else, something unknown, and your heart races as you look up to see a faint glow in the sky, pulsing, moving closer, not a star, not a satellite, but something that makes you feel you're not alone anymore. Welcome to 3i Atlas, a visitor from the unknown, where we're diving into a mystery so strange, so unsettling, it might change how you see the world, so buckle up, because once we start, there's no turning back. Let's go back to July 14, 1977, in Silver Creek, Nevada, a tiny town of barely 2,000 people, where nothing exciting ever happened, until that night at 2:37 a.m., when something changed forever, something the locals still whisper about, something they call 3i Atlas. It started with a farmer named Hank Riley, out checking his crops under the moonlight, used to the desert stillness. But that night, something felt wrong, like he was being watched, not by a person or an animal, but by something he couldn't explain, the air feeling electric, like a storm was coming, though the sky was clear with too many stars. Then he saw it, a soft, flickering light, like a candle, hovering 200 feet above his field, not a plane, not a helicopter, just floating, silent, watching. And Hank froze as it changed shape, from a disc to something liquid, twisting, beautiful yet terrifying, like it wasn't meant for human eyes, and then, it spoke, not with words, but a feeling in his mind. "We are 3i Atlas. We are here. Do not fear." Hank ran home, locked his doors, and didn't sleep for days. And when he told the sheriff, no one believed him, saying he was drunk or tired. But Hank wasn't alone. 12 other people in Silver Creek saw strange lights that night. A schoolteacher named Margaret Cole spotting the same glow from her window. A truck driver swearing he saw a silent flying machine. And the local radio station picking up static mixed with whispers in an unknown language. By morning, the town was buzzing, but then men in black suits arrived, not FBI, not military, but something else, driving unmarked cars, wearing dark glasses, asking questions, taking photos, collecting soil from Hank's field, and telling people like teenager Billy Turner to forget what they saw or regret it. Within a week, the story was buried, the newspaper calling it a weather phenomenon, the radio station going silent, and the people of Silver Creek stopping their talk, not because they wanted to, but because they were scared. So, what was 3i Atlas? A UFO? A government experiment? Or something else? For years, it stayed a whisper among Silver Creek's elders, until 2019, when a leaked document surfaced online, posted on a now-deleted forum, stamped "Classified, Project 3i Atlas," describing a non-human entity making contact in Silver Creek on July 14, 1977, a craft defying physics, and a chilling Atlas signal, detected worldwide, from Russia to Australia, a signal scientists couldn't explain, signed not by the government but by an unknown group called the Interstellar Investigation Initiative, or 3i, with a warning. Contact has been made. They are watching. Do not engage. You might think it's a hoax, a story to scare people, and I thought so too at first, but the deeper I dug, the stranger it got. Because this isn't just a 1977 story, it's still happening. In 2023, a hiker near Silver Creek posted a shaky video on X, showing a glowing object moving in ways that defy logic. And while some called it a drone or balloon, those who knew Silver Creek's history noted it matched Hank's description. And the date? July 14, 2023, exactly 46 years later. Since then, sightings have increased worldwide, strange lights, unexplained radio signals, whispers of 3i Atlas, with people on X buzzing, scientists quietly investigating, and governments staying too silent. Let's talk about the Atlas signal. back in 1977, it lasted 77 seconds, not random noise but a structured code, too complex to be natural, and Dr. Elena Voss, a researcher, claimed it was a map to something, but her work vanished, and so did she, just like others who got too close to 3I Atlas. Journalists, scientists, even conspiracy theorists, their websites deleted. Their research erased, like someone, or something, is covering it up. In 2021, hackers called ShadowNet claimed they accessed a classified server, finding cryptic lines about 3I Atlas. The visitors are not from here. They are not like us. Atlas is their gateway. The post vanished within hours, but thousands saw it. So, what's going on? Is 3I Atlas a UFO, with its organized, deliberate sightings spanning decades? Or a secret government project, with men in black suits and cover-ups suggesting a 50-year experiment? Or something beyond our understanding, a gateway to another world, as the documents hint? The scariest part is that it's not gone. Every July 14th, more reports come in, more lights, more whispers. Just months ago, in April 2025, a photographer named Sarah Mitchell, camping near Silver Creek, had her camera glitch while shooting the stars, and later found footage of a glowing, shifting object, invisible to her eyes but caught on camera, showing a symbol of 3 interlocking circles with strange lines, dubbed the Atlas symbol, when she posted it on X, going viral before her account was mysteriously suspended. People started digging, finding old sketches from 1977 witnesses matching Sarah's symbol, and amateur astronomers reporting the same symbol in star patterns that night. What does it mean? Is 3I Atlas a visitor, a warning, or a call? Some say it's a beacon, activated every few years, drawing something closer. Others think it's already here, watching, waiting. I don't have all the answers, but I know this. The more you look into 3I Atlas, the more it looks back. So, next time you're out at night, staring at the stars, and you feel that chill, that hum, that sense you're not alone, maybe you're not. What do you think 3I Atlas is? Drop your thoughts in the comments, share this video, and subscribe, because this mystery is far from over, and we're going to keep digging, no matter what's watching. You just heard about 3I Atlas, a mystery that's been haunting Silver Creek, Nevada, and the world since 1977, with strange lights, coded signals, and a symbol that seems to follow those who dig too deep. And I told you we're going to keep digging, no matter what's watching, so welcome back to 3I Atlas, a visitor from the unknown. Part 2, where things are about to get even stranger, so hold on tight, because what I'm about to share might make you question everything you thought you knew. After Sarah Mitchell's chilling footage of the Atlas symbol went viral in April 2025, her X account was suspended within days. But not before thousands downloaded the video, spreading it across the internet like wildfire, and people started connecting dots that weren't there before, finding posts from as far back as the 1980s describing the same 3 interlocking circles with eerie lines, sketched by witnesses who claimed they saw it in dreams after spotting strange lights. One user on X, going by the handle StarWatcher77, claimed they found the symbol carved into a rock in the Nevada desert, miles from Silver Creek, with coordinates that led to an abandoned military bunker, and when they posted photos, their account vanished too, but not before someone else shared a grainy image of the carving, dated July 14, 1983. Another anniversary of the 1977 sighting. This wasn't just a coincidence anymore. It was a pattern, one that kept circling back to that date, that symbol, and that name, 3I Atlas. Then, in June 2025, a retired radio operator from Australia came forward on a podcast, claiming he'd intercepted a signal in 1977, the same 77-second burst scientists called the Atlas signal. But he said it wasn't just a code, it was a voice, faint and distorted, repeating a phrase in a language he couldn't understand, and when he recorded it, his equipment fried, leaving him with nothing but his memory. He swore the voice said something like, Atlas calls, Atlas waits. And he'd been too scared to talk about it until now, because the day after, men in dark suits visited his station, warning him to stay quiet. This wasn't just Silver Creek anymore. Reports were coming in from Brazil, Iceland, even remote villages in India, all describing similar lights, signals, and that same uneasy feeling of being watched. A leaked email, allegedly from a NASA contractor, surfaced last month, claiming the Atlas signal was detected again on July 14, 2025, stronger than ever, and this time, it wasn't just a map, it was coordinates, pointing to a spot in the Pacific Ocean, a place called the Clarion-Clipperton Zone, a deep-sea trench where no one goes. Divers sent to investigate found nothing but a strange metallic fragment, etched with the Atlas symbol, and when they brought it to the surface, their equipment started malfunctioning, just like Sarah's camera. The fragment was taken to a lab, but the researchers who